Hi Cravers! Today, we will be making chicken macaroni salad. Laging present at most requested ito sa mga occasions, lalo na tuwing Kapaskuhan at New Year's Eve. Super easy lang din gawin at kayang-kaya niyong sundan. Tara, umpisa na natin! Here are the exact ingredients for this recipe. Ilalagay ko din siya sa description box. In boiling water, mag-add lang tayo ng salt. Saka natin ilagay ang chicken breast. Simmer lang natin for 10 to 15 minutes depending on the size of the portion. And then, set it aside. While we wait for the chicken to cool, lutuin na natin ang pasta. As always, season the water with salt. Add in the pasta noodles. Then ituloy lang nating haluin until maging firm to the bite for about 6 to 7 minutes. More than that, magiging mushy na ang noodles. While waiting for the pasta noodles to cool down, himayin na rin natin ang breast chicken ng maliliit. Assemble time! Gumamit tayo ng mas malaking mixing bowl para mas mahalo ng maigi. Combine lang natin lahat ng ingredients. Let's start by putting the cooked pasta first. Chopped carrots, chopped white onion, pineapple tidbits, raisins, sweet pickles, cheddar cheese, and shredded chicken breast. Let's prepare the dressing. Sa isang medium bowl, paghaluin ang mayonnaise, all-purpose cream, at condensed milk. Sineparate natin ang pag-mix ng dressing so as not to overmix with the pasta noodles kasi may tendency na madurog while mixing. Mix lang natin mabuti bago natin ihalo sa pasta. Then, ibuhos na natin lahat sa ibang ingredients. Mix until well blended. Season lang natin ng salt and pepper. You may add more depende sa panlasa ninyo. Don't get carried away sa salt ha. Remember, may alat na yung cheese na nilagay natin kanina. And don't forget to taste. I-adjust lang ayon sa panlasa ninyo. Cover lang natin ng cling wrap at palamigin lang natin ng 2 to 4 hours before serving. Siyempre, mas malamig, mas masarap. For me, it tastes better the next day kasi mas absorb na yung flavor. And that's it for today's video. For those planning to make chicken macaroni salad, I hope you give this simple recipe a try. If you find this video interesting, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you all for watching. Maraming salamat po. Bye!